Greetings, fellow financial adventurers. Welcome to our channel Snap Savings, your fortress of financial wisdom.
Did you know that 56% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? Over half of us are one unexpected expense away from financial turmoil. It's a wake-up call to master your money. Taking control of your finances is crucial for a stable future. It's about making informed decisions to live life on your terms. Implement smart strategies to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Start with budgeting to understand your financial situation. Financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Let's explore practical strategies to master your money and achieve your goals. Budgeting often gets a bad rap, conjuring up images of restrictive spending and missed opportunities. But in reality, a budget is your financial roadmap, guiding you towards your goals. It's about making conscious choices and aligning spending with your priorities. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Use a spreadsheet, budgeting app, or notebook. Be consistent and honest about where your money goes. Identify areas to cut back, reduce or eliminate unnecessary expenses. Small changes can make a big difference. Allocate specific amounts for each spending category. Set realistic limits and stick to them. A budget empowers informed decisions and prioritizes what matters. It's the foundation for achieving your financial goals and building a secure future. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. Unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss can derail even the most carefully planned budget. That's why building a solid emergency fund is crucial. An emergency fund is a financial cushion that provides peace of mind and protects you from going into debt when unexpected events occur. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account, such as a high-yield savings account or money market account. Start by setting a realistic savings goal, even if it's just a small amount each month. Automate your savings by setting up a recurring transfer from your checking account to your emergency fund. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable expense, just like your rent or mortgage payment. As your income increases, consider increasing your savings rate as well. Remember, the goal of an emergency fund is to provide a safety net, not to make you rich. It's about having peace of mind knowing that you can weather life's storms without derailing your financial progress. Saving is essential, but investing is where your money can truly grow over time. Compounding is the magical snowball effect that occurs when your earnings generate even more earnings. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound and grow exponentially. Investing can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Start by educating yourself about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consider your risk tolerance, investment timeline, and financial goals. A great option for beginners is low-cost index funds, which track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. Index funds offer diversification and the potential for long-term growth. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay invested for the long haul, even during market fluctuations. Over time, the power of compounding can significantly grow your wealth and help you achieve your financial dreams, whether it's retiring early, buying your dream home, or traveling the world. Section 5. Outsmarting debt. Avoid common financial pitfalls. Debt can be a major roadblock to financial freedom, weighing you down with high interest payments and limiting your options. It's crucial to understand different types of debt and develop strategies to manage and eliminate them. Credit card debt is one of the most common and dangerous types of debt due to its high interest rates. Make it a priority to pay down your credit card balances in full each month to avoid accruing interest charges. If you're struggling with credit card debt, consider strategies such as debt snowball or debt avalanche methods to accelerate your progress. Student loan debt is another significant burden for many young adults. Explore different repayment options, such as income-driven repayment plans or loan forgiveness programs, to find the best fit for your financial situation. Avoid taking on unnecessary debt such as payday loans or car title loans, which often come with exorbitant interest rates and fees. Remember, living within your means and avoiding debt will free up more of your money for saving, investing, and pursuing your passions. It's about making conscious choices today to create a brighter financial future for yourself. Section 6. Smart spending habits, making your money work for you. Mastering your money is not just about cutting back. It's about being mindful of your spending and making choices that align with your values and goals. It's about getting the most value out of every dollar you spend. One effective strategy is to differentiate between needs and wants. Needs are essential expenses, such as housing, food, and transportation, while wants are things that enhance your life but aren't essential. Prioritize your spending accordingly, ensuring that your basic needs are met before indulging in wants. Embrace the power of comparison shopping. Whether you're buying groceries, electronics, or clothing, take the time to compare prices from different retailers to ensure you're getting the best deal. Look for discounts, coupons, and cashback opportunities to maximize your savings. Consider the true cost of ownership. When making a purchase, don't just focus on the upfront price. Factor in long-term costs such as maintenance, repairs, and operating expenses. Sometimes, spending a little more upfront on a higher quality item can save you money in the long run. Section 7. Side hustle power, boosting your income and reaching goals faster. In today's gig economy, there are countless opportunities to supplement your income and accelerate your financial progress through side hustles. Whether you're passionate about writing, photography, or dog walking, there's a side hustle out there for you. Identify your skills and interests and explore ways to monetize them. Freelancing platforms, such as Upwork and Fiverr, connect businesses with freelancers offering a wide range of services. If you enjoy driving, consider becoming a rideshare driver or delivery driver for companies like Uber or DoorDash. The beauty of side hustles is that they offer flexibility and the potential to earn extra income on your own terms. Use the additional income to boost your savings, pay down debt faster, or invest in your future. Side hustles not only provide financial benefits but can also help you develop new skills, expand your network, and gain valuable experience. Remember, every dollar you earn from your side hustle is a step closer to achieving your financial goals. Embrace the entrepreneurial spirit and explore the possibilities that side hustles offer. Section 8. The importance of financial literacy. Empowering yourself with knowledge. In today's complex financial landscape, financial literacy is more critical than ever. It's about understanding basic financial concepts, such as budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management, to make informed decisions about your money. Fortunately, there are numerous resources available to enhance your financial knowledge. Start by reading personal finance books, blogs, and articles from reputable sources. Attend free webinars and workshops offered by financial institutions and community organizations. Consider taking online courses or pursuing certifications in personal finance to deepen your understanding. The more you learn about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of managing your money, making sound financial decisions, and achieving your goals. Financial literacy is an ongoing journey, not a one-time event. Stay informed about financial news and trends that may impact your finances. By empowering yourself with knowledge, you'll be better prepared to make informed decisions that align with your values and aspirations. Section 9. Seeking professional guidance, navigating the financial landscape. While there are numerous resources available for DIY financial planning, seeking professional guidance can be invaluable, especially for complex financial situations. Financial advisors can provide personalized advice, develop tailored financial plans, and help you navigate challenging financial decisions. When choosing a financial advisor, look for someone who is certified, experienced, and trustworthy. Consider their fee structure, investment philosophy, and communication style. A good financial advisor will take the time to understand your goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. They can help you create a comprehensive financial plan that encompasses budgeting, saving, investing, retirement planning, and estate planning. Financial advisors can also provide valuable insights on tax optimization, insurance planning, and other financial matters. Remember, seeking professional guidance is not a sign of weakness, but a smart financial decision. It's about leveraging the expertise of professionals to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. Section 10. Conclusion. Take charge of your financial destiny. Mastering your money is not a destination, it's an ongoing journey. It's about making conscious choices today that will empower you to live a more fulfilling and financially secure life. By implementing the strategies outlined in this essay, you can take control of your finances and achieve your dreams. Start by creating a realistic budget that aligns with your income and expenses. Build a solid emergency fund to protect yourself from unexpected events. Embrace the power of compounding by investing early and consistently. Outsmart debt by understanding different types of debt and developing strategies to manage and eliminate them. Adopt smart spending habits by differentiating between needs and wants, comparison shopping, and considering the true cost of ownership. Explore side hustle opportunities to boost your income and accelerate your financial progress. Empower yourself with financial literacy by seeking out resources and continuously learning. And don't hesitate to seek professional guidance when needed. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Take charge of your financial destiny today and create a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more profound insights into mastering your financial journey.